Hey everybody, this is Kim Siever with Hot Pepper Communications. We specialize in writing, editing, and social media management. So I recently came across the question, what is the plural of scissors? Thought I'd give you a little bit of information. In short, the plural of scissors is, well, scissors. It's already in the plural form. The word is descended from the Latin scissoria, which actually did have a singular form, scissorium. This evolved into scissoirs in Old French, then scissors in Middle English. And then about a century after it became scissors, it further evolved to become scissors, influenced by the medieval Latin scissor, which meant tailor. Scissors is what's called a defective noun, also called plural tantum. Pants is another example of a defective noun, as are glasses and tweezers. That leads us to the next question. If scissors is the plural version of the word, what's the singular version? Well, there hasn't been one for about 600 years. Today, when we need to refer to a singular object as compared to a pile of scissors, we append it with pair of, as in this pair of scissors. When using scissors, treat it as a plural. Those scissors are sharp. Scissors are used to cut out paper dolls. The scissors were missing from the sewing kit. Have a grammar question? Leave me a comment or email info@hotpepper.ca. You can find me online at hotpepper.ca or on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.